Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover a RedNote account. If you're unable to access a RedNote account because you forgot your password, cannot log in, or you think your account has been compromised. So in order to recover it, firstly open your RedNote app. And from here you need to select this help icon in the top right. So over here you need to select the issue that you're facing, as I'm going to select this log into previous account. As I'm going to select this forgot password here. And here what you need to do is you need to type down your phone number and select send code after that. So over here you need to enter the verification code sent to your number. So here as I'm going to select this login to previous account. So here what you need to do is you need to type down your real name and your ID number as well. And after that you need to select verify. And after that you need to follow the on-screen instruction. Your registered phone number or email address, then check your text messages or email inbox and enter the code when prompted. And after your identity has been verified, you can create a new strong password as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.